Hi, welcome back to another episode of Lovesome Everything. Today we have, if I can even get it in the shot, a huge box of Makartt lamps that they sent me. Today we're going to be going over the price and value of the lamps, which lamp is best for beginners, which lamp is more suitable for professional use, and some of the features of these lamps. So without further ado, let's go ahead and start unboxing some of these amazing products that they sent over for me to review with you. Okay, so the first one, I'm just gonna grab a box here and we are going to open it together. All right. This is how it is packaged, and inside you have your instructions on how to use the lamp and kind of which features it comes with. I did go ahead and make some notes on the features that they came with so that I would have them handy. Okay. So you get the charging cable and you get the lamp inside here. Go ahead and open it up. It is the white lamp that they sent over, and it has like this flower shaped head. All right, so for this lamp, let's see here. Okay, it is a 50-watt lamp and it has 10 nail beads. That's what they call these lights here. It's 360 degrees, so you can get like a precise cure on your nails. It has 4 different modes here, and you are going to see it says 10 seconds, 30 seconds, 60 seconds, and then 90 seconds. It is rechargeable and it does have a smart sensor on it. So I think this is a great lamp. It's super cute, especially like for your desk or something like that. I would say this is probably more for DIY use, like at home use. I definitely have one of these lamps and I absolutely love it. I use it all the time. This lamp on Amazon right now is $18.99. There is a 14% off sale right now at the time of doing this video. The next one I am pulling out is in this box. I do not have a nail lamp like this, so it is nice to have this one in my collection. And again, it comes with a USB-C power cord. The other one did as well, so it is nice. I'm gonna have plenty of power cords here. And this is the lamp here. I'm gonna go ahead and take that off, and then you do see the display. So for this lamp, Spinglo handheld nail lamp, and again it has your book here that gives you your instructions of operation. It does have a 3-second pre-cure, and that is for like all gels if you're using gel polish, and then a 10-second fast cure if you have polygel. It has 80-minute battery life, and then like we went over, it has the Type-C fast charging cable. This is definitely good for DIY nails for beginners and for salon use. I could definitely see this being used in both of those settings. This lamp retails for $17.99 and it is 40% off right now. It looks like it has 5 lamp beads in here. Let's go ahead and turn it on. It looks like it has a 20-second, or hold it down and it turns to 60 seconds. Nice. All my little hearts there are very reflective. And I love how you can literally just put a single finger in and then hold the rest of your hands and it's not going to be touched at all. All right, I'm going to open the other little one here. Inside, you are getting the USB-C cord as well. It's called Lumaline handheld UV nail lamp with painless mode. Okay. So it does say you press the button once for 30 seconds, and this is the painless mode, this button here. So this is 30 seconds for that. And then it says for the fast dry, it is this button, and that is going to give you 20 seconds here. It says long press for 2 seconds to activate the 60-second mode. All right, so I held it in, and there's your 60-second mode. When charging, a full bar on the indicator shows the battery life is fully charged. Continuous usage time is 70 minutes. The total battery life is 120 minutes. I think this light is great for beginners. It's a little flash cure lamp. I also think this would be good in a salon, like if you are just trying to put on a gem and you're flash curing something. So I think this is good for both. And the price point, you can't beat it. Let's go ahead and get into the next lamp here. This is the Tri Glows nail lamp. And I do not have this one in my collection. And because I think this nail lamp specifically is targeted for beginners, and I have a more powerful nail lamp on me right now. So this is why I have not added this one to my collection, but I do think if you are a beginner and you're looking for a nail lamp, this is going to be a great option, especially with the price point. Okay, so this nail lamp has 18 nail beads inside of it. This nail lamp has to be plugged in at all times. It is not rechargeable, but it does have an auto sensor on it. Your 4 timer settings are going to be your 5 seconds, 30 seconds, 60 seconds, and then 99 seconds. I think it is super cute. So the cord is pretty long. My plug-in is over here, so I'm going to go ahead, and it reaches all the way over there, which is nice. Okay, let's go ahead and turn it on and go over some of these features. Okay, auto sensor, it absolutely did come on. I think this is great. Like if you're gonna flash cure something and you wanna then full cure your nails, I think this is a great option for beginners. So, and a great price. And it's super cute and it won't take up much space on your desk. We have 2 more lamps here, and as we get into these 2 lamps, these are the most expensive lamps. And I will say off the bat, I think these are great for both beginners and professionals. They look very nice, and like this one is my absolute favorite. This is the Aurora lamp, and of course my daughter's name is Aurora, so I automatically love this one the most. So let me get up the specs on this lamp. The Aurora, 36 watts, rechargeable lamp, equivalent to 60 watt CCFL, and that is cold cathode fluorescent lamp. I had to look that one up because I had never heard that before. Smart sensor, 10, 30, 60 seconds, and 90 seconds. I am not sure if you can see that, but it has like this, there you go, pearlescent kind of finish on it. This lamp is absolutely beautiful. Let me zoom back out. It is compact as well, so I think it would fit very nicely on your nail desk. This lamp is 20% off right now on Amazon. It is $52.99, which if you have the money to spend on a very nice nail lamp, if you have the money to spend and you're looking for a nice nail lamp, I would suggest taking a look at this one. I think that it is beautiful. Okay, it does have 36 nail beads here. And the detachable metal base, of course, you would take that blue film off. So that fits very nicely there. You can take it on and off depending on what you are curing. So if you're working at home, of course, you have all the features to yourself. If you're working in a nail salon, and your client is over here on this side. You do have the power button at your fingertips. They do not. So if you needed to control whatever setting that you needed them to have, then you could just push the buttons for them. It does have 10 seconds, 30 seconds, 60 seconds, and then 90 seconds. This is a low heat option for more of like a painless cure. It is an auto sensor as well for whatever one you have selected. And like I said, I think this is like a really good option if you are looking for a nail lamp, and it is absolutely beautiful. So that is the Aurora Makartt lamp. Okay, and we have one final lamp to go over. So the next nail lamp is the biggest one that they have in this box. And it says 30-watt professional nail lamp. Let's go ahead and open it up. Like I said, it is huge. Like, it is a really big box. Oh, it has a handle. Let's get all of this stuff out of here. Wow. Okay, so this is the nail lamp here. I can zoom back in a little bit. You can see my whole area. So this is a rechargeable lamp. As you saw, it does have the detachable base here, and it has little feet on it. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that on there. It has little places for your fingers to go, depending on which hand you have here, or if your right hand, your thumb will be here. Okay. I would say you could absolutely use this as at home for a beginner, but I think it's targeted more towards professionals. So it has the power button here in the back. I love the LCD screen here. Let me go ahead and take that off. It's beautiful, and it has where you can turn off the noise here. All right, you have your 15-second cure, your 30-second, 60 seconds, and of course your 90 seconds. Show you here, it does have your auto sensor. I love that. Oh, I actually love the beeping, but again, you can turn it off. It has your charging here in the back, and then of course your power, so you can turn it on and off here. Your cord is in this box, and it says Makartt there, and then just a typical cord. It has 45, it says UV beads in here. I love the stand. I love the handle. So it is very portable. If the machine is left idle during operation, it automatically shuts off after 5 minutes. So it does have a power saving mode. That is really, really nice. I think this lamp is good for both, like I said, beginners and professional use. It is very nice. I would definitely, if I had a salon, would put this in my salon. I think that it is very nice. So a lot of these lamps do come in different colors. I will leave the links on Amazon for all of these lamps. So I want to thank you so much for tuning into another episode of Lovesome Everything. I know this is not a nail haul review, but I do appreciate when companies send me products that you do take the time to tune in as well, because I would never accept a product from a company that I did not believe in and or want to work with, because I love their products. I hope wherever you are having the most amazing day. Until next time, take care. Bye.